Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to do a quick video, go over my compression crimper. It's very solid, mechanically reliable, and I mean that's what you want. They do have these that are plastic and they're a little bit cheaper, but you pay a little bit more, you get something that's very solid, does your connections right every time. The plastic ones, I've actually had those break on me before, so main reason. And this tool right here has served me very well. I would say that I've probably had this for maybe 5 or 6 years, so I mean it's still going like a champ. It's great, but the only thing that could get me to kind of move away from that or even try, I got this for 25 bucks. There's the model number on there, and the name says extended reach COAX crimper, and it does everything my other BNC or compression crimper does. So I mean it covers everything here. Now the cool thing about this design is, you know, you can actually reach into a cabinet. You know, let me pause the video, come back with this thing open. Okay, and we're back. So let's see what it says. Crimps compression F BNC RCA, optimized for confined space and short cable installations. Adjustable universal plunger ensures optimized crimping on multiple type of connectors, so you can actually play with the adjustment just like on this one, where you get it to the point where the connectors you use and the type of cable and everything that you use, when you crimp this is gonna give you a good crimp every single time. Same thing here. You have an adjustable, oh, these are very light. You have an adjustable wheel right here, and if you needed to get in somewhere and have the cable right here, like say it's barely sticking out of a wall plate, you could crimp on or compress that connector. Just by opening up the package and feeling this, it feels pretty sturdy and very light. I know this is going to be easier for me to store in a pouch and take up less room on my body or my person, but this thing is a lot beefier than this one. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to try this one out, and I know it's going to come in handy for certain type of connections, but I'm going to see if this becomes my everyday carry, and maybe I do away with this, or I keep this and like to use this more, but this is my emergency one. It was only 25 bucks, so I mean, well worth it. And this was the extended reach coax crimper, model number VDV211-100. All right, guys, have a good one.